Does your cat love milk? Make these creamy Milky Chews with goat milk. Easy, healthy, and totally irresistible. Let's make it. You will need 1/4 cup powdered goat milk, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1/3 cup warm water, and optionally, 1 teaspoon tuna water or chicken broth for extra flavor. Mix the goat milk with warm water and stir until smooth. Sprinkle in the gelatin, whisk, and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Heat gently until fully dissolved, pour into molds, and chill for 2 hours. Goat milk is easier to digest than cow's milk and packed with nutrients. Plus, your kitty will love the creamy texture. Want more perfect treat ideas? Hit follow for more easy cat treat recipes and drop a comment below to show off your kitty's reaction. We can't wait to see your creations. Let's make every cat's day a little creamier.